You know, in many countries, this simple act would not be possible. Yet how many of us take adhesives for granted? I'll tell you something, I sure don't. That's why today, remote control salutes adhesives.
Kenny wasn't like the other kids.
Remote control.
TV mattered, nothing else did.
Remote control.
Girl said yes, but he said
No.
Remote control.
Now he's got his own game show.
Remote control.
And now it's his basement, his rules, his game show. The Quizmaster 72 whooping call playing Ken Over.
Thank you. I couldn't get my hand off the door. I had adhesives, although they can be friends, can also be fiends. First of all, say hello over here to Colin, Kari, and Steve. And let's meet our new friends over here. Say hello to Lee right here in the blue chair. Lee goes to UCLA. He is a major in biology, and his ambition is to host remote control. I'll tell you something, Lee. I'm a little short of breath today, so who knows? Anyway, say hello to Cliff in the middle in the pink chair. Cliff goes to BU, a major in economics. And it's nice to have him here. All right, on the end, say hello to Todd. Todd goes to Michigan State. Major, he's pre-law, and you just graduated? Are you going to law school
next year?
And what law school?
Best in the country, New Orleans. You can drink 24 hours a day in that town.
And that's why it's the best law school?
Absolutely.
Very good. Okay. Wish him good luck. Oh. Okay, look, folks. Before we get into our game today, as you know, we are embracing adhesives. And I have a special treat for you today. Oh, boys!
Oh, there's glue, and there's paste. There's adhesives all over the place. Take a look and you'll find, honey, everything's sticking together. Mend a lamp, fix a plate, Those new denture adhesives were great. Velcro flies, happy days. Honey, everything's sticking, yeah, everything's sticking, yeah, everything's sticking together for you and for me.
Beautiful job, boys. Arrivederci, Roma.
You're welcome, Ken.
Oh, aren't they great? Folks, the remote control chorus, something wonderful. Now, ladies and gentlemen, adhesives, you know, they touch everything and everybody in our lives. Did you know that? I bet you did. Everything from Band-Aids to fake nails to fly strips. Adhesives truly are our hidden helpers. Oh, yes. All right, here's how we play our game. 9 channels, very quickly. I have questions. Hopefully you have answers, right? If you have enough right answers, you win the game. It's that simple, okay? Good.
All right.
In control is Cliff. Cliff, baby?
Ken,
First of all, I got to say, I don't think we could put together 3 more guy names. Lee, Cliff, and Todd. You should be a cop show. Go ahead, Lee.
Right, good name.
Go ahead, Cliff.
I think Colin should be the one to say those names.
Ken, I think I'll take channel 7.
Channel 7. Survey says, time once again to put remote control's finger on the pulse beat of America. Colin and I have a lot of spare time, and when we do have spare time, we wander aimlessly around college campuses and, well, speak to college students. Anyway, We asked them this question for 10 points. What is your favorite type of adhesive? For 10 points, that is Cliff.
Tape.
Tape.
I don't think Ken, we can give him that one, huh?
Are we going to give it to him? No, I'm sorry.
Dan.
Anyone else? Todd.
Crazy glue.
Crazy glue.
Number one answer.
Yes, Dan. Very good, Todd.
Send me channel 9 because it's...
Well, for Todd, whoa. Let's stick to the rules, huh?
I got it, Ken.
Thank you.
Stick to the rules.
Let's find out what else was up there.
Number 5, we've got duct tape. Number 4. Band-Aid. And number 2, Scotch tape.
Todd, you got 10 points. Go ahead.
Channel
Channel
9.
9. Oh. 5 points. I Love Lucy. When the Ricardos went to Hollywood, what mode of transportation did they use to get there, Lee?
Car.
Yes, 5 points. They drove to Hollywood. Very good, Lee.
We'll keep driving with Lucy.
Okay.
Ricky will.
Lee?
I love Lucy.
Will there be another quick quip, or that's it? Okay. 10 points. When Lucy and Ethel were out getting into trouble, they'd often leave little Ricky with a nice old lady. Who was Lucy's nice neighbor? Cliff?
Mrs. Babish.
No. Nice bluff, though, Cliff. Todd?
Mrs. Smith.
Please, Todd.
It was a guess.
Lee?
Old woman with curly hair and live upstairs.
Mrs. Trumbull. Trumbull was her name. You're still in control, Lee?
Stay with Lucy. Close her.
Okay, closing it out, 15 points. While collecting souvenirs in Hollywood, Lucy steals a cement block from Grauman's Chinese Museum. What star's footprints, Lee?
John Wayne.
No, are on the block. Which is the star who...
Caesar Romero?
No. Cliff, want to take a shot?
I don't know.
Just name any star.
Rin Tin Tin.
Rin Tin Tin. Good guess. You know how close you were? Clark Gable. That's how close you were. Go ahead, Lee. You're still in control.
I will take Channel 5, Ken.
Okay. Bewitched. 5 points. Sam traveled to the witch convention in what infamous Massachusetts town? Todd?
Salem.
Yes, Salem, Massachusetts. Did you know that in Salem you can buy T-shirts that say my brother went to Salem and slept with a goat and all I got was this lousy T-shirt? Did you know that? A little bit of information for you. Go ahead.
I'm going to stick with Channel 5, Ken. I like
Heat.
it.
It's the Heat, Todd. Okay, stick with Channel 5? Did you say stick with Channel 5?
Yep.
Oh, very good.
Right.
You see, that kind of is keeping with our theme of
That's right.
adhesives are our friends.
I thought you guys...
Our hidden helpers. Okay, 10 points now. Didn't even know you did that, did you?
Kick the microphone or...
No, said...
No, I said that... I said it on purpose.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna point out how easy, comedy can be sometimes. 10 points. During the 8-year lifespan of Bewitched, how many kids were born to Mr. and Mrs. Darren Stevens? Todd?
2!
Yes, 2. Yeah. Tabitha and Adam.
All right.
Go ahead, Todd.
Let's, I think I'm sealed on number 5.
Todd, get a polygrip. 15 points. All right, wasn't that funny. Hey, no hissing. No hissing allowed. What do you think this is, Europe? 15 points. Gladys Kravitz was Samantha's nosy neighbor. What was the first name of Gladys's husband? Lee.
Harry?
No. Just Cliff.
John.
No. Todd.
Edward.
No. Abner. Still in control, Todd. Time for a snack break. Yes, sir. Hold your little balls out. Time to munch. While you munch, it's gum. Oh, good for your teeth. Todd, you're in the lead with 25. Lee 5, Cliff 0. Come on. All right, we're going to come back, play round 2. The person who survives that can take home this.
It's the MTV La Run. Part bike, part skateboard, and the best of both. Available only through MTV.
It's a collection of Motown CDs, including the classic hits from such artists as The Temptations and the Jackson 5.
From from Chinon, the Auto GX Telecompact 35mm motorized camera. With built-in wide-angle and telephoto lens, you'll always capture all the action from Chinon.
Nintendo Entertainment System, the most exciting and challenging video game system ever developed. You'll get the control deck, 2 controllers, the Zapper gun, and 3 of Nintendo's hottest games. When remote control continues.
Stick with us.
We're going places.
Hi, this is Dennis Hopper. We live in a free country. Keep it free. You gotta register. Register to vote. Go for it.
There's a cold wind blowing downtown tonight. Though you left me hanging tough, I got to keep my courage up.
Welcome back to the only game show taped live in Ken Ober's basement. Remote control.
You know, speaking of adhesives, Kari, what's your favorite adhesive?
Well, Kenny, out of all of these, I think, as you probably know, I like Velcro.
I can't say as I blame you. Steve, you have a preference?
I dig Polygrip, Ken.
Polygrip, not a bad choice. Quinn?
STP, it's the racer's edge.
Colin? STP is an oil treatment. It's not an adhesive.
Oh, I thought today was lubricants. Sorry.
What else can I say? But let's play round 2, huh? All right, round 1 was, I'd like to say exciting, but my mother told me never to lie, so I gotta be honest. Let's pick it up in round 2. Todd has the lead with 25-25. Cliff, yet to score. Points are double. Anything can happen. In control is Todd. Go ahead, Todd.
Ken, I feel like number 2.
Okay. Channel 2. Primetime Friday. Cultures clash when a European shepherd moves in with his neat and orderly cousin in Chicago. Name this Friday night sitcom, Lee. No, not in time. Cliff.
I Married Dora.
How do you remember that? Todd.
Father Murphy?
No. Perfect Strangers. Mark Lynn Baker and Bronson, I can never pronounce that man's last name. Pinchot. Is Pinchot? Pinchot? Okay, still in control, Todd.
I don't like that. Let's go to number 4, Ken.
Channel 4, sing along with Colin. Okay. All right, this is 10 points. Okay, you're at the Meadowlands, all right? It's the 3rd encore. Sweat is pouring down his face. Everyone's screaming, the lights are on, the big man is wrapped around his horn. For 10 points, finish this tune by the boss.
The screen door slams, Mary's dress waves. Like a vision she dances across the porch as the radio plays. Roy Orbison sang for the lonely. Hey, that's me and I want you only. Oh, turn me home again.
That is Lee.
I just can't face myself alone again.
Yeah!
Go back inside, baby, you know.
Oh, man. I swear, I felt like it was 1978 and I was at the Roxy. But anyway.
The Roxy.
Go ahead, Lee. Good. You want to stay with Sing Along?
I will stick with my boss, Colin.
Okay, go ahead. 20 points. 20 points. Sing the next line to this Bob Marley hit.
We're jamming, we're jamming, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, we're jamming, we're jamming.
Todd.
We're jamming.
Lee.
I want to be jamming with you.
No. Cliff.
No idea.
Oh, the line was, I hope you like jamming.
You blood clots. Oh, could you mess up? You great Bob Marley.
Lee, it's still in control. You want to stay with Sing Along or close it out?
Despite the setback, let's close out.
Okay, 30 points this time. Sing the next phrase to this Chuck Berry classic.
See down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans. Way back in Bucky the Woods, a Monday evergreen. It's in an old cabin made of earth and wood. Well, lived a country boy.
That is Todd.
Johnny be good. Yeah, go.
No, you missed Lee.
And Johnny be good.
Named Johnny Be Good. 30 points. Sorry, Todd, you missed a word, a major word. Lee.
I never did get good with my Lakers station. Till 9.
Ooh. Lakers, huh? That's how you get on my bad side, Lee.
By the goofy hair station.
Goofy hair, 10 points. His hair is funny because it's short. He's goofy, thin, and shy. Paul Rubens is his real name.
Pee Wee Herman.
Yes, Cliff, 10
Ten. I'm stuck on Channel 9.
points. Okay, showing real stick-to-itiveness by making a run at it, Cliff. I like that. 20 points. Name the scruffy ex-born-again singer who looks like he hasn't combed his hair since he wrote Blowin' in the Wind. Lee.
Bob Dylan.
Yes, Bob Dylan, 20 points. Lee showing a wide range of musical knowledge. Go ahead, Lee.
I'll stick with you.
Sticking with the goofy hair channel, this will close it out, 30 points. Only his mortician knows what was under his shocking white wigs. Name the pop superstar who founded...
Andy Warhol.
Yes, Todd,
Yeah,
30 points.
yeah. All right.
Game is close. Go ahead, Todd.
Channel 3, Ken. Let's try that.
Okay. Whatever happened to... Old actors never die, they just find more demeaning roles to play. Oh, boy. 10 points. I just hope that's not true. 10 points. Al Lewis now owns an Italian restaurant named after the crusty old character he played on the Munsters. Lee.
He was Grandpa. Dracula. Count Dracula.
Yeah, who did he play? He was Grandpa, right. That's right. He owns a restaurant called Grandpa's on Bleecker Street here in New York, New York. The city's so nice that they named it twice. Okay, Lee.
I don't like what happened to. I'm afraid I'll have to go with Channel 5.
Channel 5.
Oh.
Lee, you're losing 10 points, but it is better to feel good than to look good, or to look good than to feel good, or one of those.
No, that's not Cher. It's her own adorable Holly. But you're not the only one she's fooled. Greg Allman sent her an alimony check last week. Isn't that right, sweetheart? Oops, her mic's not on, but her sex appeal's on full throttle in this darling little outfit.
Okay, Lee.
Well, that was great, Ken, because, my dog, we can't see him, so I'll look good on him. We'll see him around the house.
All right.
And he'll go with Channel 2.
Are you going to need me, Lee? You're going to be handling this all by yourself. Can I jump in with a comment now and then?
Feel free, Ken.
Okay, Lee.
You may ask a question. Okay.
Go ahead, Lee.
It's 2. We're 2.
2. Oh, okay, sorry.
The program.
Hey, none of that.
You got some sticky wax in your ears, Ken, because he said it twice, maybe 3
Do I have sticky wax in it? Why don't you wet a finger and find out, Kari? 20 points on Dallas. Name the ranch where the Ewings live. Todd.
South Fork.
Yes, South Fork. 20 points. Todd, go ahead.
I'm going to go back.
Hold on, Todd. Let's get rid of Cliff first.
Get out, Cliff. Sorry.
Cliff. Doesn't he look like the kid from Gentle Ben? Todd's got 75 points, Lee with 65. 10 points separate our first and second contestants. Time to play Think Real Fast. Our lightning round, 10 points each, 30 seconds worth. Here we go. I took the titles of popular programs and replaced one word with a medical term. You tell us what word really belongs. For example, if I say the Dukes of... I can't even read this word. Look at this word. Could you ever read that? Gastronoeconology?
Just say, like, flatulence.
Okay, the Dukes of Flatulence. If I said the Dukes of Flatulence, you would say the Dukes of Hazard. You would replace Hazard, okay? Here we go, 30 seconds, 10 points each. Number 1, I love lithium.
I Love Lucy.
Yes. Leave It to Barium.
Leave It to Beaver.
Yes. Love Infection.
Love Connection.
Yes. Donnie and Meningitis.
Donnie and Marie.
Yes, Todd. The Wonder Yeast Infection.
The Wonder Years.
Yes, Todd. Beauty and the Breast Implant.
Beauty and the Beast.
Yes. The Hollywood Sweat Glands.
Hollywood Squares.
Yes. Perfect Strangulation.
Perfect Strangers.
Yes. It's Gary Shandling's prostate.
It's Gary Shandling's show.
Yes, Todd. My Sister's Spasm.
My Sister Sam.
Yes, Lee. Scar Trek. Lee.
Star Trek.
Yes. Too close for... Whoa! We have a tie! A dead tie! Bob Eubanks, Pez Dispenser. Tiebreaker. Oh, my God. Is it hot in here? Or is it me? Here we go. This is to decide the game and possibly the rest of these gentlemen's lives. Here we go. Here's your question. Dead or alive, Danny Kaye. Todd.
Dead.
Yes!
Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Yeah! Robin, I'm going!
What a game!
Yeah!
Lee, you played great. You're gone. Todd.
Yeah!
Great game, buddy.
I knew it!
You're going in the Craftmatic adjustable bed, the grand prize round, and a chance to drive home and this as well and take home this stuff.
Zenith TV can. Zenith's 13-inch television features remote control, programmable channel scan, and a timer for automatic shut-off. If you've got an eye for quality, hey, look to Zenith.
Can't drive home in this, will you? Gibson's Epiphone guitar. The Epiphone S500 from Gibson combines traditional electric guitar styling with up-to-date hardware and electronics. The musician's choice from Gibson, USA.
Grab the keys to this can, the DBX CD player. This DBX DX5 remote-controlled CD player features the latest advances plus 4 special circuits to let you customize the sound to your liking from DBX, America's highest tech audio company.
Magnavox Video Writer. It's the Magnavox Video Writer, a compact state-of-the-art word processor and printer in one desktop package. When the remote control continues.
Stuff worked, and now I know. Okay, Todd, you're in the Craftmatic adjustable bed. This has been our salute to adhesives. What a better way than to have you win the grand prize. You're looking up at 9 video screens. You got 30 seconds. You get all 9 right, you are driving home in today's big prize.
Drive home in this, Ken. It's a fabulous Subaru Justy TL. The sporty little roadster that combines good looks with road hugging performance and fuel efficiency as well. Guess all 9 videos correctly, you never have to borrow your mom's car again.
Whoa, whoa, what a prize. Todd, this is what you're up against. Here's a peek at it. Okay, you have 30 seconds. Best of luck. On your mark, get set, go.
Number 1, Midnight Oil.
Yes.
Number 2, Bryan Adams.
Yes.
Number 3, pass. Number 4, pass. Number 5, Elton John.
Yes.
Number 6, pass. Number 7, pass. Number 8, pass. Number 9. Number 4, David Bowie.
Yes.
Number 6. Number 9, Pet Shop Boy.
Yes.
Number 7, Steve Winwood.
Yes.
Number 3, Heart.
No.
Number 3, Cars.
Yes.
Number 7, Motley Crue.
No, time is up. Time is up. Oh, you got 7. You missed number 6, which was Poison. Number 8, Lou Graham. Lou Graham, you did great. You got 7 prizes. Great game.
Sorry, Rob.
Thanks a lot. Remember, use adhesives wisely. They can be your friends. They can also be your enemies. Thank you for watching.
All of our tacky contestants, no, just kidding. They receive LA Gear footwear. LA Gear is the #1 choice in fashion athletic footwear. You've got the moves, we've got the shoes. LA Gear. Remote-controlled sweatshirts from Shaw Safari and the Zenith Remote Control. Losing contestants take home a gift certificate from Foot Locker, America's most complete athletic footwear store on the cutting edge of style and performance. Come to the Stripes at Foot Locker and Volume 3 of television's greatest hits. From Love Boat to LA Law, 2 decades worth of all your favorite TV themes available at record stores everywhere. Promotional considerations provided by Wella. Turn heads with high hair from Wella. High hair cleans, conditions, and styles with sensational volume. Available in professional hairdressing stores near you.